Hi everyone, this is Shivangi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's class is actually meant for the people, those who are ready to learn English and those who are interested to do hard work. Obviously, to learn any of the language, one has to do hard work. Unless you always think that you want to learn, but if you don't make any effort, you can't learn. Either you can choose any of the trainer who can train you according to your requirements. Everybody has a different level in English. So if you are thinking to opt a trainer, that is a different thing. If you feel like that you want to learn English by yourself, then this video is definitely meant for you. So in today's class, we are going to discuss that how a beginner, the person who is interested to learn English, can collect ideas, how he can make sentences. Each and everything we are going to discuss in today's class. Do watch this video till end so that you can get all the ideas which I have in my mind and I want to share with you. I'll be also sharing how I learned English so that you all can get motivated and learn English. Right? So before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, so that you can see all the videos which I'll be sharing in future also. So let's get started. Yes, the first thing, the agenda of today's class will remain, where I'll let you know that how we need to improve our vocabulary. This is one thing. And the second thing on which we'll be working is how to improve the sentence formation. Obviously, if you want to learn any of the new language, you should have great idea about the words. We should have words. Obviously, if we don't have words on our tongue, we cannot express that in English for sure. We cannot make sentences if we don't have words. So let's talk about the things with which we can improve our vocabulary. So the first thing I believe one can do is remember the time when in childhood we used to collect the coins. Children even these days, they are very fond of collecting currency and all. The same method you need to apply for improving your vocabulary. See, if you are writing one word on the diary, that's also a good idea, but that is not enough. If you want to collect vocabulary, you need to collect from anywhere. If suppose you are housewife, you are working in a kitchen, many of the things we bring from market, there are a number of things that are written on the, like our essential goods, our packets, number of things are always been written which we never read. We just cut it, we just boil the milk and we just throw that packet in the bin. This is what we usually do. So here, if you want to learn English, try to grab words from wherever you can, wherever. In case if you are traveling on metro train, there are a number of words that has been written. So what you can do is you can just collect those words. Make yourself curious to collect words. That will help you to improve a lot. Many of the times we read any of the word while working on, while scrolling social media also, and we leave that word. Instead of taking interest, what does it mean, we leave that word. That's not a good idea. In any case, if you are interested to learn English, somewhere it's very much important that you need to know the meaning of that word. This will help you to improve your English for sure. So you can collect words from various places. Like I have given you an example of kitchen. I have given you an example that if you are even traveling on metro. I will also suggest you, in case if you are watching television, if you are watching English movies, there are a number of words. If you are watching with subtitles, there will be number of words which would be new to you. Just write that down. On mobile, there are a number of things where you can make your notes, or you can even write down the manual way with your pen on your notebook. This is how. Make that your habit if you really want to English. There are a number of people, those who say they do, but they don't. Those who want to learn, but they don't make efforts. Unless and until you won't make efforts, you can never learn English. So it's very much important to be in the habit to collect words. The second thing I feel with which one can improve is by using synonyms. Now, how you'll be in the atmosphere to use synonym, I am going to clear it out right now. Suppose you have seen somebody's video or somebody's photograph on your social media and you want to say important or beautiful. Instead of using that word beautiful, there are a number of synonyms. Just like bring that synonym and write down that. Many times in our life we use word important. Instead of important, use crucial, significant, relevant. I mean, like, I am just giving you an example that this is how you can also get yourself improved. Instead of using the similar, the easy word which you already know, instead of using that, try to find the synonym of that word and use that. That will help you a lot. Trust me, this is how I learned, right? Because I teach IELTS, so there it's very much important that we should have an idea of different synonyms. They need to check our vocabulary. This is one of the parameter on which you are judged when you speak in English. So this is what is very important, and this method can help you to improve or collect ideas about your vocabulary. Now I'll let you know that how we can improve our sentence formation. Let's suppose we have number of words in our mind. Obviously that is also not enough unless and until we are not using it in sentence form, because this is how communication happens. We speak in line and we get the answer in line. This is how we get a chance to make communication, and communication requires sentences. Now I'll get to know that how you can improve your sentence formation. Obviously, communication is completely incomplete if we do not know how to compose sentences. And obviously, if you have words, if you have collected words, if you have words in your mind, still communication will be incomplete unless and until you are not making sentences. The communication means you speak in line and you get the answer in a sentence. That is called communication. So for better communication, it is must that you should have complete idea how you can make correct sentences. There is no denying the fact, to make correct sentences you must have complete hands-on experience in your grammar. You should know grammar, otherwise you'll be making wrong verbs, you'll be putting wrong verbs. You must have an idea where you need to put your first form, where you need to put second form, where you need to put ing. For that very purpose, I would like you to know, I have already made videos on tenses in a very easy way. You can learn tenses by watching those videos. So now here I was just telling you that how you can work on your sentence formation and how you can learn. So the first thing I would want you to know is that consume English. Consume in the sense like you need to eat English. This is what I have done throughout my life. I still remember my teenage days when I used to read a lot of novels. I used to watch English movies. I loved English music. I even performed on that. This is how I learned English. So what you can do is you can use any of the way. If you are interested in reading, which is not very famous these days, people these days are actually not reading more. Even children, they are not showing as much interest as we had in our previous time. But this is what is actually required if you are planning to learn spoken English. For that very purpose, you should have something in your mind. For you can use either of the way. Either you can watch English movies, or you can listen English music, or you can even watch any English news channel, or you can make yourself comfortable with TED Talks, or any way you want. Read newspaper, consume. You need to consume, because there you'll get a chance to understand the way they have formed sentences. You must get an idea that whether they have used active or they have used passive. This is how you'll be able to have in your mind, have English in your mind, which is absolutely necessary, because if you'll be having something in your mind, you'll be able to speak up. Sentences, initially it may possible you'll be making sentences, but do not fear. We are Indians and we can mistakes. There is no problem. Don't fear that people will laugh or something. In India, it doesn't matter if you are making any minor grammatical errors, because the person who is not from this English background, we cannot expect everything correct from him, to be very honest. So I would suggest you to consume English in either the way you want. The second thing which I want you to know is speak in English. Communicate with the person whomever you get chance. It's very much important. Only then you will be able to, obviously, spoken English is all about speaking. Whatever you have consumed, if you are not speaking that up, that won't give you any of the benefit. If you do not have any person to whom you can speak in English, I would suggest you to watch any of the speech in English, then make notes. Even if you don't want to make more notes, that is also okay. Speak that up and record your voice. You'll get a chance what you have imitated or how you are forming sentences. This is what the purpose is. That is how you can solve your purpose. And in any case, if you have any of the friend, any of the relative with whom you can speak English, speak that. Unless and until you won't come out with your ideas from your mouth, you can never learn English. So it's better to practice that. But before speaking in English, you must have an idea, work on the tips that I have given you previously in this video. Just check that out. Many of the people, they always say that make videos in Hindi. Maybe people, मैं बोलती हूँ कि हिंदी में भी कभी हम इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं. I really don't have an idea and I use very easy English. So in any case, if you are not able to understand, watch that twice, watch that thrice. You'll be able to get an idea what I am saying. I hope I am clear to all of you. If you like this video, click like. That actually motivate me to make more videos so that I can come with more ideas where I can give you more tips related to your English speaking, communication, as well as your writing tips. We'll be discussing in our future videos. For that very purpose, do subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Speak in English. That's more important than anything else. Happy learning. Bye-bye.